Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a first impressions review on Shimmer and Shine Glam Dip Powders. So let's get right into the video. The owner of Shimmer and Shine reached out to me to try out some of her dip powders, so I decided to make a video on it because why not? So these are the dip powders that I chose. The first dip powder is Magic Potion, a baby blue dip powder with some chunky flakes. I love the blue color, but I'm really not a fan of chunky foil in solid dip powders. It makes it hard to use. I didn't like it. This dip powder actually scared me because I didn't know that it was a glow in the dark dip powder, and when I took off my lights, it almost gave me a heart attack. yeah, so shameful. Anyway, then we have Crocodile Tears, which is a green dip powder with gold flakes. I liked this dip powder and the flakes because the flakes were the right size, they were small, and the color is gorgeous for the Christmas holiday. Then I also chose this purple glitter dip powder, which is a glitter and foil mix. The foils are a bit large, but with this it's okay because of the glitter. It wasn't that hard to apply. I just think that solid colors and foil, they don't belong together. That's just my opinion, especially foils that are large. You know, I didn't mind the Crocodile Tears one because the foils were small. Then we have this blue glitter called Alice's Dress, and this is by far my favorite dip powder. I realized that all of the dip powders that I chose are accent nail dip powders, and I wanted to use all of her dip powders to do the design. So I decided to filter the foil from the Magic Potion because the foils were not my favorite and it wouldn't match anything else, so the two blues matched very well together. So I decided to filter that out, and it wasn't that hard to do. You just have to get a netting and just, you know, do what I'm doing right here. The netting was a bit too big because there were some fine foils in between, so you know I had to use my tweezers to try to get out some of them, but it wasn't that hard to do. So I'm using my Unibouti dipping tray to encapsulate the nails. They sent me this to review. It is a 2-in-1 dipping tray because the top you can use for French manicures or even to just dip regularly, and then you have the bottom part that you can use when you're encapsulating your nails. It's really nice, and I'll leave a link if you'd like to purchase it in the description below. So I apply my own peel off base coat to my nails. This is used for easier removal, so if you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step, and I wait for it to dry. By the way, I have on some gel top coat under those nails, that's why it's shiny like that. That ensures easier removal as well. I have a video where I talk about that. I'll leave a link to that. If it's not up yet, it will be up soon. Now I apply base to my pinky nail and then dipped it into the Magic Potion dip powder. My first dip concerned me because the dip powder looked grainy on my nail, but on the second layer that was gone and it looked fine. I don't know why that happened, but it's okay and it came out great. I think I did 3 layers, but you could do as many layers as you like. Now on the ring finger, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I dipped my finger into the glitter dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. 1 layer would have been fine, and this glitter is really nice because the nail came out bulky And you know, when you're filing into glitter, it changes the color of the glitter. This did not change, and I really filed into this glitter. I was shocked because I was really scared I would have had to do this nail over, and I really wasn't feeling to do that. So I took the leap and just filed right into the glitter because the nail was so bulky. I don't understand why I did that to myself, and you will see how gorgeous the end result is. The nail was still a bit textured, so when I applied my gel polish, you know that it didn't have any texture to it anymore. So anyway, on the middle nail, as you can see, I did a color block and I did 2 layers of that. And on the index and thumb, I did the whole nail in the magic potion, the powder. I wanted to do this simple design just to showcase the dips, and guys, these dip powders are really nice, and if you'd like to purchase any, I'd make sure to leave a link in the description so y'all could check out her website. By the way, this is not an affiliation or anything. I do not get commission for doing this. She just wanted me to check out her dip powders and use them, you know, just to get my opinions on them. So I just applied some activator to the solid blue color just to bring back some color to the nail because it was looking a bit whitish. So right here, I'm going to be encapsulating my nails, and I'm using my Unibouti dipping tray. I did about 2 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer, and using this tray was very easy to use, but it would have been easier to use if I was using it with my dominant hand. I'm using it with my non-dominant hand right here, and it was kind of awkward to use, but I reckon it would be easier to use with my dominant hand. And besides that, I really like this dipping tray. It's easy to use and it ensures that you do not contaminate your clear dip powders when you're using them, especially when you're using them with glitter, because you're actually reusing what you have in the tray, so you do not have to contaminate the whole container of clear dip powder. And I really like that about it, and it was really cheap. I don't remember exactly how much I saw it for. I think was about $12, and it's basically you're getting 2 in 1 because you're getting a French manicure tray and the encapsulated trays. So I don't see nothing that I dislike about this dipping tray, so I'll keep you guys posted if I see anything I don't like. So right here, I'm just applying my activator. I waited for the nails to harden and then I began filing. So now I apply my Model 1's gel top coat and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I waited for the nails to cool down, and then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!